Last night, the sky disappeared. Not dark, not empty, gone. You wake up, the sun still rises. The air still fills your lungs. Your street looks exactly the same as it did yesterday. But the void is missing. The infinite, quiet black has been replaced by a heavy, suffocating glare. A glowing static that presses down on the atmosphere. You step outside and you immediately feel it. We aren't in our neighborhood anymore. When the sun finally sets, the horror actually begins. You look up, expecting empty space. Instead, the sky is a blinding haze of white-hot clusters and ancient dust lanes. Too many stars. No gaps. No dark. And they don't make sense. Some of those stars shouldn't look that big. They shouldn't be that close. Just a wall of burning gas, packed impossibly tight. The sky feels heavier. It feels closer than it was yesterday. This isn't our galaxy. And whatever this place is, it doesn't have a night. And then you notice it. A massive, glowing blue beam of plasma cutting the haze in half. It spans thousands of light years across the sky. It doesn't move. It doesn't fade. Something at the center of this galaxy is firing it, and it's pointed straight through our sky. If that beam ever sweeps across Earth, it won't burn the planet. It will erase it. You look up, desperate to find the moon to ground yourself. It's still there. The tides still pull. But it's barely visible. Washed out. A pale, gray ghost drowning in a sea of aggressive starlight. For a moment, it looks beautiful. A glowing, golden ocean overhead. Then, the sky pulses. Somewhere in that crowded sky, something dies. A violent burst of white light. Again and again. Massive, boiling red giants and volatile blue stars hang above us like secondary suns. You don't need a telescope to see their physical shape, their burning edges. The universe is no longer a passive backdrop. It's right outside the window. There is no safe direction left. Walk outside at midnight. Look at the ground. You don't just have one shadow anymore. You have 4, 5, 6. The ambient light from countless ancient stars casts overlapping silhouettes of you on the pavement. They stretch in every direction, moving as the earth turns under this alien glare. Then you realize what it means. This isn't just light. It is energy. The radiation isn't enough to kill you instantly, but it never stops baking the atmosphere. Go to your car. Turn on the radio. You expect music or maybe dead silence. Instead, the signal isn't clean anymore. Every frequency is crawling with heavy, grinding interference. We can't hear anything beyond Earth anymore. We point every space telescope we have outward, desperate for a landmark. Nothing works. The sensors flood. No contrast, just noise, just blinding white. We didn't just lose our map. There's no outside anymore. We aim our deepest satellite dishes back to where we came from, hoping for an echo. But we are so far away. Even light won't carry our voice back in time. If anyone is looking at our old coordinates right now, they just see an empty space where our sun used to be. No one knows we are here. Earth survives a jump. Humanity wakes up under a burning, star-choked sky. We adapt because we have to, but the universe as we knew it is dead. We survive the jump, but survival doesn't mean safe. We don't belong here. And in a galaxy this crowded, staying hidden isn't possible, which means something has already seen us, and we have no way of knowing when it looks back.